I'm Mercedes. Who are you?
I'm Albert.
Okay, today we're doing a taste test of Little Debbie's ice cream. We have Cosmic Brownie and we have Strawberry Shortcake.
My gamers, my gamers.
I'm sorry,
I thought nothing on this safari.
I checked the upstairs over half
But not the underneath yet.
I've got the bucks that I'll spend more than you can.
So the first one we have is Cosmic Brownie. This looks looking kind of disgusting, I'm not gonna lie. This does not look appetizing.
Didn't we get it from the Dollar Tree?
Lucky.
Okay.
It's not bad. Okay. This doesn't look too bad, honestly. Okay.
Beautiful presentation.
The consistency is a little questionable,
Yeah, this is not.
but
I mean, it tastes like vanilla and then like strawberry, I guess, but
it takes me back to my childhood.
it doesn't for me. Actually, wait. You know those tubs of the Neapolitan? With the chocolate, chocolate, vanilla, and nothing tastes like the flavor? That's what this tastes like. What's your overall rating?
100 out of 10
For both?
for both.
The first one, I'm gonna give it. I'll give it a 6. The second one,
Yeah, I would
dude,
say
this
the
whole thing
answer.
is 650 calories. That's insane. Okay, that's the end of our video.
We're the Fortnite kings, we're the cauliflower berry fizz. Unleash the magic, baby. Dancing on the battlefield, we're the team pop whiz. Rapping on the mic, spitting rhymes so crazy. Rocking this game with our magical ways. Building on the mic, spitting rhymes so crazy.